everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Madeline. Today in this video I will be showing off the About Face Beauty Holiday Blues collection. So stay tuned for the video to see how I like the products, how they go on. Here's the collection and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we definitely have the latest from AF Beauty sitting right in front of me, but before we get into it I definitely need to go ahead and do a little bit of my base so then we can go ahead and get in with the fun stuff. Okay, so this is the new bag it comes in, limited edition. Nice and blue, logo, little AF. That's the bag. So in the new collection it comes with 4 things in total, 1 including the bag. And then it looks like it comes with 1 mascara, which this brand has yet to come out with a mascara, so this is exciting. It's in the shade Edge of the Earth. And then it also comes with a new shadow stick. And the shade name for that is going to be In Dreams. And then a new product in itself, it's going to be from the Fractal collection. It's going to be a glitter dust, and this is in the shade Ascent. I'm excited to play with this one because I don't have anything really like this at all. Also, the look I'm going to try and recreate today is going to be from Halsey's promo for this look. She did create a look with these 3 products. I'm going to go ahead and do that look. But first, I think I'll actually swatch all the new stuff for you just so you can see what it looks like. Here's the new shadow stick in Dreams. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. It's a pretty blue-green color. Ooh, I'm loving the mascara tube. This is sick. I'm just going to kind of drag it on my hand a little bit just so you can see. Just swatch this, really. That's the color for the mascara, so that's really exciting. Cute little tube packaging. It's kind of like a little salt and pepper shaker, kind of. And you just lift this little tab, I guess. Lovely. Okay, I just kind of poked the holes in it. Oh yeah, she's pretty cute. I love it. I hope she definitely comes out with more shades in these little dust glitter dusts. I'm sure she will, because how would she create only 1 new product and only make 1 shade in it? Those are the products that we'll be working with, and let's get into it. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna go in with the shadow stick here. Oh yeah, I love these shadow sticks, they're perfect. I'm just gonna try and create like a little half moon all on my lid here. They're like little twist up crayons, so you can twist this part up and it'll go up or down. It's not really a completely dry product. It'll dry down, it just takes a few minutes. So I'm going to try and go in with the glitter faster so it will stick better. I also kind of want to just like brush it out a little. I'm going to go in with this Sephora angled brush and just like kind of pat down the color and blur it out a little bit. Just a little bit. And see, it barely moves, so I'm not going to mess with it too much, I guess. But that, okay. Here we go. I'm going to go in with the shadow stick here. Oh yeah, I love these shadow sticks, they're perfect. I'm going to try not to cover it, but still. I gotta do what I gotta do. How do other people do makeup tutorials? This is seriously so hard. I'm just gonna try and create like a little half moon all on my lid here. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at how fun! Oh, I gotta get back. Oh, oh. I'm gonna twirl this up a little bit. And if you don't know, these are like little twist up like crayons. How do I? Be a beauty guru, Madeline, come on. Focus. Focus. They're like little twist up crayons, so you can twist this part up and it'll go up or down. So I'm gonna make it go up a little bit. Focus. This would be so much more fun if it would focus faster. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna go in to spots I missed. And it's not really a completely dry product. It'll dry down. It just takes a few minutes. So I'm gonna try and go in with the glitter faster so it will stick better. But I also kind of want to just like brush it out a little so it can create some good stuff. Let's see here. What brush do I want to use right now? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go in with this Sephora angled brush and just like kind of pat down the color and blur it out a little bit. Just a little bit. And see, it barely moves, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much, I guess. But that's why I love the shadow sticks. I'm gonna go in with a scent now, the glitter dust. Okay. Fun. It's so glittery and pretty now. I'll probably go back in with the shadow stick in a second. I hope this turns out well because I will be going to work with this eyeshadow on. So far, I think it's kind of cutesy. The eyebrows are really making it look great. Oh my god. Okay, I went off camera and I did the other eye. She's looking cute, she's looking bold, but I think we can try and go in with the blue-green mascara now. So let's give it a go. Okay, I gotta curl my eyelashes first. Trust the process. Trust the process. Oh my god. Here we go. Is it working? Oh my god, it's working. Can I just say, out of all of the colored mascaras I've ever tried in my life, I've never seen one work as good as this one. I'm not living for it with this look that I have on currently because then you completely lose my eyelashes. But just for trying it, it coated my eyelashes really well. I mean, they are covered. Like I don't see them. Do you see that? Like, my eyelashes, they are coated, and that's just one quote of this product. I'm truly shook beyond belief. For the sake of this look, and for it already being pretty bold, I'm just gonna go in with a black mascara to make the eyes pop a little more. Oh, there she is. She does have eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with a different mascara now. Everyone opens up their mouth when doing their lashes, right? Or is that just me? For my top lashes, I'm using Tarte Big Ego. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic. To finish the look, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist spray. She's a little heavy. I found the perfect highlighter to finish this look, I believe, and it's going to be the About Face Light Lock Powder in Ice Dusted. I'm going to go in with a clean brush here. Oh look, little pink matchy moment. I'm going to dab that on. We're going to go over here. A little on my new. Yeah, she kind of has like a blue and green reflex in it. Here, I'll swatch it. Yep, that's the highlighter. That's the highlighter of the video. Now I gotta find a lip and we'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna go in with About Face lip paint in Last Good Night. And there we have it. I'll give you my final thoughts on the About Face Holiday Blues collection. Okay, shadow sticks, you can never go wrong with About Face. They're pigmented, they're easy, not much you can go wrong with there. This mascara shocked me. She did not come to play. She said, I'm pigmented. She said, I am the mascara. I love the way it applied. I would say it did give me volume and length. I don't know if it was meant for that. Let's see what it says here. Dial up any look with this new vibrant mascara in shade Edge of the Earth. It doesn't really say anything about it lengthening or volumizing my lashes, but I feel like it did both of those. Maybe more in the volumizing department than anything. Also, the color of it was amazing. I hope they do come out with more colored mascaras, and that's where I'll buy them from now on. This I do have a couple words on. The glitter dust, the Fractal Glitter Dust in the shade Ascent. I love the packaging of this little guy. There's a lot in here. I know there is. I love what they were going for with the salt and pepper shaker little moment here. However, the product is not coming out for me very easily. I found myself shaking it like a mad woman to just get only the tiniest bit on my hand. I think I'll have to take off the little plastic cover here to try and get better usage of it. But it did what it did. I do love the product. I hope there are more colors in this because I will buy the rest of them. But I would say the plastic thing is the only con on this part. I don't know why, for some reason the product won't come out. But yeah, that was my review on the Holiday Blues About Face Beauty collection. I hope you enjoyed the short little look I gave. Go ahead, feel free to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. At this moment in time, we are 104 subscribers deep. I'm gonna say by August, I wanna hit at least 250 subscribers. Is that a small goal, big goal? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what else you'd like to see from me in the future. Bye!